Fire in the hall, let's cook a burger. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. I've got my ballistic griddle installed on my Weber kettle because my Blackstone refused to light. And I'm so over that thing. It's not the first time it's happened. Anyway, we're gonna make a Frisco melt. I'm gonna throw down some onions right here. We're going to saute some onions first. That's what we're doing first. Saute some onions. And once we get them cooked up, we're going to make some smash burgers. But let me tell you what. Let me talk about where I got the idea for this. So there's a burger place in town called Steak and Shake where they make this Frisco Melt burger. It's really good. It's like a patty melt but with a double patty. Well, you'll see. But I got the idea to do this for my buddy Jack's Drinkwater. And Jack's Drinkwater and I have a subreddit together called Barbecue Maniacs. So if you're on Reddit, I'll put a link in the description. And you can go check us out on Barbecue Maniacs on Reddit. So you got that going for you. Anyway, let me get my onions sauteed up. And then we'll cook up a couple of smash burgers and put this Frisco melt together. So stay tuned. Alright, the onions are grilled up the way I want them. So what I'm going to do now is throw down a burger patty. Got a piece of burger like that, seasoned up. Throw a piece of parchment paper on it and smash that puppy down. Smash it down good, like that. Instant smash burger. Okay, all we gotta do now is cook that up. Flip it over. Cook it some more. We'll put the cheese, that'll be the first patty. We're gonna make 2 patties. We gotta let that one cook a little bit. And I'll bring you back when we flip it over. Stay tuned. Okay, got my first patty flipped over. We're going to put on that one 2 pieces of sharp cheddar on that patty. We're going to slide that over to the cooler side of the griddle and let that cheese melt a little bit. We'll come down with the second patty. Stay tuned. Okay, patty number 1's good to go. Here's patty number 2. Let's get that puppy smashed down. There it is. Now patty number 1 has the cheddar cheese on it. Patty number 2 is going to get Swiss cheese on it as soon as it's cooked a little bit. And then it'll be time to toast up our bread and assemble the burger, so stay tuned. Patty number 2 has been flipped. We're going to lay some Swiss cheese on top of that one. So we've got cheddar and Swiss. And one more step. Oh, we made the sauce already. The sauce is Thousand Island dressing and French dressing mixed 50-50. We're gonna let that Swiss cheese melt on there. We'll toast up some bread, some sourdough bread, and we'll put this burger together, so stay tuned. Alright, let's assemble this Frisco melt. We start out with a piece of sourdough bread that's been toasted. We throw down with our burger sauce, which is Thousand Island dressing and French dressing. Slather that on there generously, as my buddy Jack's Drinkwater says, generously onto that bun. Then we go down with some sauteed onions that we sauteed, remember? Sauteed onions. Get it. Let's cover that thing up with sauteed onions so that there's no place where there's no onions. Right there, a little bit of sauteed onions. This is going to be one sloppy burger, let me tell you. Then we're going to get the Swiss patty and put that on top. And maybe a little bit more sauce. Why not? And then we get the cheddar patty. Put that on top of that. A double patty. Oh yeah, let me get that bread off of there. Toasted sourdough bread, a little bit more of that sauce. There you go. Toasted sourdough bread on top. And that is the Frisco melt. Let me cut that in half. Where's my knife? Here it is. Cut that puppy in half. Let's do it artistically though. Ah, it's hot. Ah, oh. Woo. That's a hot burger right there. All right, yes. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's the Frisco Melt. How does that look? Let me get a beer and we'll take a taste of this monstrosity. Stay tuned. All right, my Frisco Melt is done. Check out this beer. Hops for teacher. Da 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 da. Hops for teacher. Hey, you know I bought that beer for the name, Hops for Teacher, but it's an India Pale Ale. Let me tell you about it a little bit. It's from the J. Wakefield Brewing Company in Miami, 120th Northwest 24th Street in Miami, 6% ABV. It's an IPA. How bad could it be? Let's find out. It's locally brewed beer from Miami, an IPA from J. Wakefield. Hops for Teacher. It's a beautiful, beautiful looking beer. I can't wait to get some of this in my mouth. Rob, what do you think about that? I'm Hops for Teacher. Da, 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 da. Eddie Van Halen. What a genius. Taken too soon. Eddie Van Halen, Jimi Hendrix, all died in the prime of their lives before they'd even thought about living. It's a shame. Here's to you, Eddie. Here's to Eddie Van Halen. Wow, that is a hoppy, in-your-face, hoppy beer. Excellent. From the, what is it? The J. Wakefield Brewing Company in Miami. Never heard of them. Let me get some of this Frisco Melt in my mouth. Look at this burger. You don't think that's sloppy, do you? Think that's a sloppy burger? Mmm. Wow. Yeah. It doesn't taste exactly like Steak and Shake. It's actually better. And I got some pickle here to put in my mouth. Mmm. I love pickles. Anyway, babies, that's my video. The ballistic griddle saved my butt today because I wanted to cook this on Blackstone and couldn't get the darn thing lit. But anyway, that's my video. Go up in the iCard and check out Jack's Drinkwater, Southern Cooking. You won't be sorry. He's an awesome dude. Go on my YouTube. I'll put a link to our Barbecue Maniacs subreddit. If you're on Reddit, you owe it to yourself to check out Barbecue Maniacs. And also our bacon, which is another subreddit of ours, which I like a lot because I love bacon. But yeah, anyway, that's the video. Hey, we'll see you next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Look at this beer. It's beautiful. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, all that happy grip. Okay, we'll see you next week. Bye.